Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to check whether your health insurance card is active. So if you want to know whether your NHIS card is active, then this video is for you. So kindly dial this USSD code star 929 hash. Dial this USSD code. Yeah. So from the menu, select option 1. That's check policy validity. So select option 1. Select NHIS card. So if you've linked your NHIS card to your Ghana card, you can select Ghana card. But if not, select NHIS card. So in here, enter in your number, your NHIS number. Let me paste it in here. Enter in the number. Enter in the number again. In the next pop-up, enter in the number again. Yeah. And you will know the status of your NHIS card in the next, pop-up menu. So as you can see in here, the status is active, the card number, the start date was 2020, and the end date was 2021. And your Ghana card is successfully linked. Yeah. So uh, with this, meaning my health insurance is not active, it's inactive. Yeah. So this is the simplest and easiest way to know whether your health insurance or NHIS card is active or not. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give this video some thumbs up and leave a sweet comment. See you in the next video.